What is up, guys? How's it going? Been a couple days, eh? I don't know what I'm gonna record today. I'm just kind of out and about riding, you know, doing my normal bullshit by myself, because Mac and our rider's working today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But as promised, I am going to try and do a 2-video-a-week schedule for all of the riding season. Well, once winter hits, I will have to go back down to 1 video, unfortunately, unless I can manage to get a shit ton of recording time in, you know. There we go, 100-mile-an-hour pull. So I know it's not the fastest I've ever been at 100, but I don't want to risk it too much. It is a holiday weekend, you know. Ooh, another motorcycle. Haven't seen one of them in a minute. It's been a couple of days, eh? Howdy. I like how everybody so far has been in like leathers, because it's in the 50s and the 40s and the 30s, you know, when I'm out riding. For the whole 3 days I've been riding so far, twice now with the camera on me. But like, I'm out here in 2 hoodies and a vest, and they're out here dressed to the nines so it's cold out. Either I'm built different or I'm very stupid, one of the two. Maybe it's a little bit of both. I'm built different, but the build that's different is just stupidation, you know? Oh, fuck. I really hope that, like, this light isn't red that long, because I don't want to sit here talking to myself on a camera next to some... I think that's a girl. I don't know. Ooh, hello, Ford. I think that's a chica, but I don't know. I don't want to sit here talking to myself next to somebody at a stoplight for too long. If I had my homeboy with me, it'd be different, because then it's just 2 guys doing it instead of 1 dipshit. It just turned yellow. Nice. Turn signal on. Just to reiterate, I'm going left. Even though I'm in a left-only lane, you gotta reiterate that shit sometimes, you know? I've already seen a couple cops through here, so I'm not gonna, like, risk it too much. But when I get by the causeway and subsequently over on that main strip over there where there isn't really any like spot to hide a cop off the road, I might get into it a little bit. Maybe I'll try and find some college kid on a Civic. They're like an old Beamer or some like Subaru, and see if he wants to race. You know, the good old stoplight races. You inch up and you rev, and then you're locked into a race, whether you want to be locked into a race or not. Hopefully it'll work out like that, though. I mean, normally whenever I see something cool to race, it's kind of a little ways away. Like, it'll be 2 cars ahead of me through traffic with the lights not cooperating. That's how it always works, without fail. Like, I saw an Audi on Tuesday. I wanted to race that, and you know what happened? We got stuck behind traffic, and then the lights changed when he was closer than I was, so I got stuck. And he kept on going because he had all the room in the world. Meanwhile, I was stuck behind a fucking Karen in the soccer mobile talking on the phone, you know? But, you know, I digress. It's just how shit be sometimes. Hope you all have a good Easter, too. I want to throw that in there. If you even celebrate Easter. If not, have a good, busy weekend. Because I'm sure that regardless of y'all celebrating Easter or not, it's going to be busier than shit everywhere that's going to be cool to go. Like, I don't really have a destination right now. I'm just riding. And I don't have a face mask on me, so I'm not really going in anywhere. as cool as it would be to stop in the Harley dealership over here and get a quart of oil so I can check myself occasionally. Because, you know, sometimes these Harleys like to burn through oil when you do stuff to them. Only sometimes, though. Whenever I own them, they do that. When somebody else owns them, they're fine. Anybody else have that issue? Or, like, you own something like a motorcycle, a car, a gun, a phone, a console, and has nothing but issues, but, like, you see all these videos of people on theirs having fun with their stuff, shooting their guns, riding their bikes, driving their cars, playing their video games, and, like, it works flawlessly. And it's like, why can't my stuff work flawlessly? Why can't my stuff work flawlessly? Alright, I'll let him win here. It's windy as shit. I'll just kind of get over. He did have a head start on me, though. I'm going to make excuses because I technically lost, even though it was not really a race. You know, we were going the same direction. So I'm not going to count that one. If you guys want to, do it. Let me know if you count that one or not. I won't. Mainly because I wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. The wind caught my hoodie there for a second, and that was kind of sketch. Oh my god. Because, like, whenever I wear a normal hoodie, it's fine. But when I put my base layer on, which also has a hood on it, it's like a fucking parachute, and it just catches the wind and inflates. And it's like, whoa, hey, no, knock it off. Which is kind of annoying, especially when it's colder and hell out, and you just get like a stiff wind down your back. It's just like, why? Why are you doing this to me? Sorry if I'm stuttering a lot. I'm not used to talking again. Like, last year I got pretty good at talking on the mic. Even though I wasn't really using a mic, I was just screaming at the wind. But I'm not used to talking a lot. I apologize. Ooh, do I see a competitor right there in the blacked out Magno? There's the challenge. Let's see if you'll answer. Nice dodge. I gave the little prop of a challenge, you know, the challenge prop. Let's see if he pulls, does anything. Oh, he's going around. He might. Oh, a fucking train, bud. A fucking train. That's actually kind of rare for right here. Like, extremely fucking rare. Holy shit. I know someone that's gonna like that. My uncle. He's like extremely into trains. Like, extremely into trains. That's a long ass boy. Holy shit. I'm still paying attention to the road. It's got my head turned that way for the camera. I promise y'all. Oh, there's the end. Start a YouTube channel. Fucking get a GoPro, ride a Harley, ride a Yamaha, Honda, I don't give a fuck, be a man, I don't know. Or be a woman, I don't care. Wave to ya. Just get a motorcycle and start a channel, you know, document what you see, because sometimes people don't see what you see. Like, I guarantee you in New York, people are not seeing trains that are this long for no reason. This year is just going to be riding, relaxing, and enjoying the bike how it is. Maybe I'll throw a fairing on it, I don't know. If I get a fairing, it's just going to be on those crater fairings or a Road Warrior. No, it's Memphis Shades, that's what it is. Memphis Shades Road Warrior. Just so that way I can have a little bit of wind protection, a little bit extra storage, you know. Not that I'm really like going a long distance, but sometimes it's nice to have just a little bit of extra in the front end to have. If you've got a fairing, you'll understand what I mean by that. Like, you can fit a lot of stuff in your saddlebags, but you can't reach your saddlebags when you're riding. But say I shove a map up in my fairing, I could just grab it, you know. But right now I don't have a fairing, so I can't grab shit. I've never really been one to want to live on a lake. Like, I just don't see the appeal. Like, why live on it when you can visit it, you know? Like, and it's a lot cheaper to just fucking visit it. Like, these are multi-million-dollar mansions. Or I could spend a $5 extra on my tabs and get a parking pass for the whole year, you know, like, instead of spending millions of dollars over the course of my life to pay it off, I could just spend like $450 after over 70 years, you know, 7 times 5, 70, whatever, how that math works out, you know. Oh my god, I'm behind another student driver. What time is it? Okay, that makes sense. It's already 3:15 and school gets out at like 2:30 here, so alright. I'm not gonna pressure him. I'm not gonna pressure him. You got this. You got this. Good job. You got this. Good job. You got it. I could have went, but you know, sometimes I don't really trust people all that much to not be going like, oh, it's a student driver too. Fuck. Of course it's a student driver and they're all wearing masks. Get fucked. I'm on the bike and I ain't got one because I got a helmet. Let's make some more commentary on how well they drive. So far they drive like a student driver would. It's okay, it's just a slow ass Harley behind you. Whatever will the Harley guy do? Oh no. I'm gonna give him a wide berth. Okay, they're going left. Oop, I will let them see. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm stuck here now. Yeah, fuck it. I really hope I wasn't scaring them. Fuck, I was just trying to go when they were done going, you know? My god, my mic fell off my helmet. Holy shit. Gotta pull over now. Ah, my god. Okay. 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 I got this. Ah, I cramped my arm. Huh. Oh, that works. Except now it's in my mouth. Fuck. 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 Oh, that works. Oh, it's even better than before. Maybe a little bit of a dead cat in my mouth, but you know, hey, fuck it. A little hairy pussy in your mouth never hurt anybody. The kids won't get that one, but we will. So yeah, let me know. I hope you all have a good one. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and keep the riverside down. I'll catch y'all later.